And then there's Irwin, the hypochondriac who told his doctor, "I'm sure I have liver disease." "That's impossible," replied the doctor. "If you had liver disease, you'd never know it. There's no discomfort of any kind." Irwin replies, "Those are my symptoms exactly." Incidentally, if you've been paying close attention to the wording of the examples, you have noticed that I did not consistently mind my P's and Q's. That's the expression. As I should have if logic consists of manipulating symbols. Instead, I sometimes altered their subjects, tenses, numbers, and auxiliaries. "Someone is a woman" became "Xanthopy is a woman." "You ask" alternated with "Oliver does ask." "You must wear a helmet" switched with "the child is wearing a helmet." These kinds of edits matter. "You must wear a helmet" in that context does not literally contradict "a child without a helmet." That's why logicians have developed more powerful logics that break the P's and Q's of propositional calculus into finer pieces. These include predicate calculus, which distinguishes subjects from predicates and all from some; modal logic, which distinguishes statements that happen to be true in this world, like Paris is the capital of France, from those that are necessarily true in all worlds, like 2 + 2 = 4; temporal logic, which distinguishes past, present, and future; and deontic logic, which worries about permission, obligation, and duty. Oh, we're already at an hour, bro. Well, that's the end of that section. Next section is formal reconstruction. I just gotta spend all day. Hey, but we read like 13 pages, dude. That's awesome. There's a lot of pictures and stuff, but that's great. That's great. We're already at page 85. Alright. Later, bro. And you probably didn't even spend an hour. You probably skipped some of it. Alright, so we're gonna see how long we can go reading without criticizing Pinker for what I see as an overemphasis or reliance on the judge myth, on ideas like a conscious or rational self. And maybe we're not even going to translate what he says or apply it theory to it. Not that either of those things are bad. Well, the first one is getting repetitive for me. And I just have to trust that at some point, the majority of people who watch this video are familiar with my thinking and what my objection would be anytime I come across the word rational or especially conscious when describing humans. Alright, let's do it. It's not going to be easy. I'm very, very, very excited about this section. One thing I will allow, now that I think about it,